Hello everyone, welcome back to Fantail Pigeon. I hope you all guys are safe and fine. So as you can see, this all my fancy bird section. Here in these two loaf there are not fancy birds, they are high flyers. As you all know, I think this breeder pair, they are caring. I just fostered this fantail bird to this breeder pigeon, and they are another breeder pigeon to whom I have not fostered yet. So about this fantail pair, black and white fantail, they are mating and soon they will lay egg. I have cut this female tail little bit so that it will easier for mating. As you can see, her tail is cotton out. So about this sighted pair, they are again going to lay egg. And about this another sighted pair, they are also going to lay egg. This is ice cube sighting and this is dark sighting. This male is very angry. And about this king male, I am just searching for female for this king male, because I have two king, another two king in my loft, but they are young, so male or female they are not known yet, so that's why I am finding for new king female. And about this beautiful this white bantam, I don't know what happened to this male. His one leg is little feeling really, I think this male is one leg is in pain. So when this happened I also don't know, but also I am going to do medication for this male. I will keep some medication for this beautiful white cream color male. This is really beautiful. Few days ago only this happened, about 2 days. I think he was in pain from few days ago. I didn't saw, but today I saw, so I will do soon medication to this male. Beautiful fantail birds are coming in sunlight and taking sun bath. There are many fantail birds. They are also, this white fantail also eating rice. This rice is very important for birds as this is used for soft food. As you can see, these beautiful fantail birds are staying very warm. So I was going to talk about my other new birds as you have already seen these budgies before in my previous videos. Here are only 2 budgies, as you can see, but behind this cover there are many budgies. I will show you. As you can see, these beautiful budgies. There are some pair who are laying eggs, so I just covered with this, so there will be not cold, because there is really feeling cold in here. So I was going there behind this loft and shown you that. They are also my beautiful budgies. Now I am going to talk about my new bird, to whom I was waiting for many years. They are my new cockatiel pair, Grey Cockatiel Pair. They are very beautiful pair. Actually, they are not adult, they are young birds, about 5 to 6 months old. So I have plucked their feathers and checked out this bird. They are male and female. This left one is male and this right one is female. As you can see, this beautiful bird. They are my gift. I have not buy this pair. My brother just gave me gift this beautiful cockatiel pair, and I have kept here. And about this strawberry finch, they are also in breeding progress. Actually, this cockatiel, I bought this cockatiel only few days ago, about 5 days. So they are started to talking. They are very beautiful pair. I was waiting for this cockatiel from many years ago, and a few days ago just I have bought this beautiful cockatiel pair. I have kept in this loft. Before here was zebra finch, so 2 female zebra finch died and 1 zebra finch male also died, but there is only 1 zebra finch left now. So I have transferred that male zebra finch to this strawberry finch loft, and I have already kept here water and this cuttlefish bone, calcium, and there are some feed also and soft food also. So they are enjoying a lot in this loft. And about these bantam chickens, they are also eating this rice. They always come here and play around like this in dust. Actually, they don't take bath in water, they just take bath in this dust like this. And about this white male, I hope this male will also recover soon. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video, If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to Fantail Pigeon for watching new upcoming videos. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.